Okay guys, so today we have something a little bit different of what I usually do, and that is PVC cladding. So I will have to put all around this wall here some PVC cladding that we have here. So I already started. As you can see, I put my starter trims on, and now I will just have to cut all my panels and just slide them in. I will use some adhesive at the back also, but usually you don't need to, because this type of cladding with these types of rails here, you don't need to, because it's going to keep everything together. But to be sure that is not going to make any sound and be noisy, I'm just going to put some adhesive at the back. Yeah, to do this I just use my handsaw to mark all my 45 degrees cuts, and my grinder with a disc for metal, which is quite good for this type of plastic, because it's not going to rip it apart or break it, and the cut is going to be nice and sharp. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just start and cut some panels. Okay, so these panels here are usually coming in 6 meters length, and I already put it. Yeah, now I just need to measure and do my first cut. I'm going to start at the bottom, going up, across, and down. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a few points of no nails at the back of the board, and I'm going to use save nails from Bondit. Now I'm not going to go crazy with this, I'm just going to put a few points at the back. Okay, so now passing on the next one. Okay, so I have some bad news for me. One of the trims here just snapped and I had to go and buy another one, and I just changed it, and yeah, this is the old one, so it just snapped and it's still going. Yeah, it seems that it's a very good quality, so I had to go and buy one, and I replaced it. It's already on, and I've done even a few cuts. Which are all here, so now I will just have to put them on quickly, and we are going to call it a day. Right in. So we have two of them in. We still have a few, and then is going to be the top side. And you know how it is. The last piece always is going to give some problems. Let's hope not. They are a little bit too big, so I'm trying to cut a little bit from them. If not, I'm going to force too much the trim, and I don't want for it to crack again. Wow. Okay, so we just finished with our cladding. It's not that difficult to do. You can do it because it's easy. I think this is the end of our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course see you on the next one. Now, this door is going to be painted at a later stage by the client.